up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of LG Outdoors. Today we're at the pond. We're just fishing. We had some storms come through, so perfect topwater conditions. I've already had 2 blow-ups. This fish I caught off camera. So, golly. I'm just throwing a Strike King Sexy Dog. Just the smaller one. I have to pull up my pliers for this one. So I had a blow up real shallow right up here, and then see it, buddy. All right, there's another fish right over there. Let me catch real quick. Oh my gosh, you missed it. That's not a bad fish either. Put it right there. That is not a bad fish. It is kind of spitting rain, so I might have to stop filming because it starts pouring. I don't have my side case on, so that battery and stuff's exposed. He's missing it. Got him. Oh, it's not a bad one. He's not that big. He's got his mouth open in that shallow water. Get up in here. Get up in here. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about. Why is he bleeding? I didn't even hook him in the gills. Right there, baby. That's what you come fishing for on rainy days. Let's go. Let's get him back. Let's get another one. See you, buddy. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. On a roll. Get right back in there, see if there's another one with him. I swear that was such a cool bite. He missed it twice and hit it the second time. The entire time I didn't see him. I got another one. Right there in that same spot. He is trudging. Let's go, baby. Did I not just catch this fish? I have to get the pliers out on this thing. Get to. He is. See, look at that gash. I swear I just caught this fish. What the heck? That's not a bad one either. That's 3. Let's get him back in there. Let's get back in there. Let's go. White Sexy Dog. Low light, cloudy morning, rainy conditions. Don't get better than that. All right. And this wind right here, that's gonna help this bite. It's gonna push natural bait over here. So the fish over here should start tuning up pretty good with this little breeze. That's 3 really fast. I should done have 4, but I missed the first one. Didn't miss the second one. Missed the third, didn't miss the 4th. That should be a fish. That's about where that fish was bedded. Yep, little guy, really little. Just say I didn't even, that's crazy, dude. He's as big as the topwater. Look at this thing. He's as big as it is. That's crazy. Let him go. See you, buddy, that's 4. Here should get a bite. Down there for sure. There he is. It's 5. Get in here. Get in here. They're all about the same size, but you know, I'll take them. Warm old bodied fish. They're eating it too because they're getting that middle hook in their mouth. That's number 5. Just a little guy. He's angry. There we go. There he goes. All right, let's get back in there. We need some big ones now. Hey! A worm!
That's my worm.
Worm! Give me juice. Give me juice. Oh. No. Not a bad one though. Dude, he's got my fluke down his throat. I don't got him hooked bad. I got him hooked on chomper just like you.
Oh my God.
But that fluke is gone. All right, that's number 11 on the day, first drop shot fish. I'll probably make a separate video out of this day. So, that's not a bad one. Long fish. They can go back in here in that clear water. Gone forever. Right there, kid. Yes. Perfect. Did you see that splat? That is fish. Told you. Did I not tell you there's a fish right there? He's medium. He doesn't have it very well, so. About like that one I just caught.
No.
It's right there. I think it's cool. I got one too. Doubles. Doubles.
I knew it, Lane. I just knew it.
Mine, yours is way bigger, but